A warm welcome to all of you to this second Indian Ocean Rim Association Water Science and Technology Co-Group Workshop on promoting efficient water management through water reuse and alternative water supply. An important topic indeed, but I must regret, I won't be able to make a very lengthy speech today, this morning, because I am required to be present at a cabinet meeting to defend water tariff increase that we have made in this country. So I had to take leave from you shortly. But then we are quite pleased that South Africa, as the chairman of the core group, or the vice chairman of IORA and the chairman of the core group, have been instrumental in developing this idea of a workshop and allowing us to host its second session here in Colombo. We are proud to be selected to host this event here, mainly because we consider ourselves somewhat ahead of our other neighbors in the region in our efforts to provide the required quantity, quality, and also addressing the affordability and accessibility of water to the population in Sri Lanka. And when it comes to sanitation, we are far ahead of our neighbors in providing proper sanitation facilities to almost 95% of Sri Lankan population. So in that regard, we have been commended for our achievements of the Millennium Development Goals far ahead of its deadline. And now, with the Sustainable Development Goals set for 2030, we are equally confident that we can reach the benchmarks that have been set for countries to achieve the targets mentioned regarding potable water supply to the entire citizenry, as well as sanitation for all, well before the target dates set in the Sustainable Development Goals agenda. So therefore, it is indeed a pleasure for us to be hosting this important workshop on promoting efficient water management through water reuse and alternative water supply. As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, our country's proud history tells us that we have an irrigation civilization which dates back to almost 2000 years and beyond, in which we have introduced a cascade irrigation system, which is thought to be a wonder going back so many years, and we have perfected the art of our water resources management way back in our ancient days of the monarchy. So therefore, over a period of time, our indigenous engineers have been able to develop sustainable water resources and to look at issues relating to pollution of our water sources and adapt corrective methods. And we have also in the recent years been able to put in place a water safety plan which ensures that drinking water supply at times of disaster and other times are adequately maintained. And this has been an area where our ministry as well as the National Water Supply and Drainage Board has been focusing very keenly. Therefore, I don't want to say much at this moment. As I told you, I had to take your leave since I have got to be at a cabinet meeting shortly, and I also must regret my inability to be chairing one of the theme sessions later this morning, and I'm sure the organizers will, if possible, accommodate me sometime tomorrow if there is a possibility for me to join all of you. So I'm keen to see the progress and witness it myself, and to be also involved in it as time permits. So therefore, once again, wishing all of you the very best in achieving your objectives in coming for this conference. And also, I would like to urge and recommend to our visitors to find a few more days to spend in this lovely serendipitous land, to go out of Colombo and see the natural beauty and wonders of this country. Thank you very much.